Hello, 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 hello. How are you? Good evening and welcome, everybody. Welcome. If you're new to this group, it's your girl, Coach E. I am in Maryland, so welcome everyone. I am here to share with you very real quick. I went live in my other group. I initially wanted to just stay in that group and go live, but I happened to realize that this group actually has more people, although the focus of this particular news is on DNA. That's the initial reason why I wanted to go in that group, because that group is solely for DNA testing. But I know we all that are in this group also offers DNA services, so I might as well just come here and repeat myself, so you're not gonna miss out on anything, trust me. I've come to share very good news with you, and it's on DNA testing services. If you are new to DNA business, I don't know if you guys know already, labs are asking for, the best lab in America here is asking for a large sum of money for you to set up an account with them. And but what I've come to tell you that is that is no longer going to be the case for you. You are now going to be able to set up your lab account for a very small fee. In addition to that, we would also we're going to help you set up as a collection site, whereby they are going to send you clients and you're going to do collection and you get paid. Meaning that you will do collection for both legal, non-legal, immigration, ancestry, blood draw, which is the non-invasive pregnancy testing, all types of DNA testing you will be able to do collection for. They will give you all the supplies that you need and you'll be set up as a collection site. Even though you have if you are mobile, if you have a brick and mortar, you are welcome. That is the good news I've come to share with you. That is the latest thing that I'm implementing and that I have added to my coaching program. As you already know, it's your girl Coach E. I would always want my clients to be successful. My program is always revolving. We're always bringing in new stuff. I am always looking for ways to help my clients. You guys' businesses grow. That is what a coach should be doing. And so that's one of the things that I've helped. I have been able to bridge the gap for individuals that are looking for ways to make more money in their business. So you will be set up as a collection site. And if you want the lab account, we will also help you to set the lab accounts. Okay. Supplies will be sent to you for free. The fees for setup is very, very minimal as compared to the large sum of money that you would have to pay as a setup initial fee. If you have an existing business, you can also elect for just the collection if that's what you want, because I know that some of you already have the DNA testing business, but not necessarily a collection site. So we can set you up as a collection site. You can help us to do mobile collection. You will get paid for all of the services. Okay. And if you are new, you would also be able to, add that other piece to it. So the way this program works is that we have two parts to this program. And the reason is just to make sure that we are able to cater to all of you's needs, right? Everybody's going to be a customer. Everybody's going to be a winner, right? So if you're looking for DNA, you want to start your DNA business, we will help you set the lab account up. We'll also give you tools like trainings, right? Because a lot of times, marketing training, a lot of times people have all of these accounts set up and they can't make money. They don't know how to bring in the revenue. They don't know how to just promote this service. And it becomes a problem. So if you go through our program, we would help you set up and give you marketing tools. So you have ideas on how to market your services and how you can get clients. And while you're working on that piece of your business, we would also set you up for collection if you want both packages, so you can do combo. The reason why we split it is that some people already are in business, but they don't have that collection opportunity. So everyone is a winner. So if you want piece A, you can get piece A, which is the account setup. And if you want piece B, you can also get the piece B, which is the collection site. And if you want both, you can take both. And both programs, it comes with one program, which is the A, if you have an account, we assume that you will need help with marketing so that you can get clients. So this is the news that I've come to share with you. So go ahead and comment below, or you can reach out to me if you're interested in pursuing this with us. It's a win for everyone. More details will come. We'll continue to post. We'll continue to spread the gospel. We'll continue to spread this news around so that everyone can know about it. And, you know, share with your friends, share with everyone, your business bestie, your business partner, so that they can also, y'all can, you know, let people know that this is going on with Coach E within my program. I am opening this to everybody. It could just be my student alone, but this is for everyone because it's in all 50 states, okay? That's one of the things. It's in all 50 states of America. Wherever you are, even if you're mobile, you are welcome, welcome, welcome. So I gotta go. I'm going on all my platforms. I'm going live. I got my okay, final answer, final deal, sealed contract. So I'm excited about it. I'm sharing it all so y'all can, you know, come. Let's all eat out of the big cake. That's how you roll in life. You know, you roll like that. You want to share out of the big cake, and I'm able to bring that big cake to you. I brought the big cake so we all can now eat out of the big pie. Immigration testing and all DNA testing. You will be a collection site, and you can also offer that services. This is such a big accomplishment for me. Forget it, haters. I made it. We did this. So come on, let's get on board and let's work together. All right, I'll see you, but you hear me talk about this and of course my immigration consultation. So these are the two things right now in quarter one of 2025. More coming, okay? I love you. Yes, you guys know that already. All right, bye for now.